Are you finding out how to screen record on an iPhone after the iOS 18 update? The method has changed now. Hello friends, here's Carly. In this video, I will show how to add and use a screen recording feature. It's pervasive now. Let's watch the video till the end. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. We can start screen recording from here, but unavailable here if you haven't added. Tap on the plus icon at the top left corner or touch and hold on to the blank space to edit the control center. Then tap on the Add a Control option at the bottom. You can search controls from the search fields, or swipe up to the Display and Brightness section, where you may find a screen recording option. Tap on Screen Recording to add in the control center. Now we can resize it by dragging it for easy access. Then tap on the blank space. That's it. Now it is easy to access the screen recording option from the control center. That's it. To start recording, open the control center on the lock screen or home screen. Tap on the recording button, wait for count 3, 2, 1, and start recording your screen without external audio by default. To stop recording, tap on Dynamic Island to see the recording. To stop, tap on the stop button, and that's it. Your screen recording will save to your Photos app. In addition, to record screen with an external microphone, touch and hold on the screen recording button in the control center. Select the Photos app, and turn the microphone on that turns red, and tap on Screen Recording. That's it. Now your iPhone will record the screen along with your iPhone microphone as sound, or use an external mic or AirPods to record your voice with screen recording. To stop recording and save to Photos, tap on Dynamic Island and tap on the Stop button to save in the Photos app. To find all the saved screen recordings, move to the bottom of the Photos app and see the screen recording under the Media Type section. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.